Hi guys, medyo boring na si Uncle ngayon. Joke lang. So, nag-video lang ako parang update lang. Para kahit papano sa YouTube ko is magkaroon siya ng bagong upload. Kasi naisip ko lang kanina na meron pala akong YouTube channel na parang tracking progress lang. Para kahit papano pagdating ng araw na meron ako makita sa sarili ko na before and after. Kasi ngayon parang wala talaga akong enough na confidence pagdating sa communications and my grammar and pronunciations. So gusto ko lang to ma-improve and paano ako mag-isip and paano ako makombine yung speaking and thinking. So yun pinakamaganda strategy when it comes of communication skills. So yep, I want to share my day's happened. So lately I wake up 8 a.m. Then I walk my dog, and after that I was thinking my day, preparing on it, and after that writing my thoughts and my ideas, and then doing my routine, cleaning the house, and after that rest and dinner, and after that I remember that about how would I grow myself more aside from the schooling, and I'm trying to find another skills that could I use in my future. So like for example the trading. So lately I started trading, and that is the best thing for me that I invest my time on it, especially when I am free and or rest time. So if I don't have time, if I do have time for that, so I use my time for studying about trading. So yeah, it would benefits my future career. So yeah, and so since I am IT, so that is the very best thing that I could relate to my course and job on investing. Investing is the best way um, you to na mas mag-improve pa kasi investing kasi hindi lang siya investing or trading, something like that. Before you do that things, make sure that you are already know yourself. For example, your emotion and how would you react the instances or something na mga pangyayari ganon. So kailangan may control yung emotion mo dun. Sa investing or trading is hindi mo meron kasing mga sinasabi doon na kapag na-invest ka, hindi mo kailangan i-involve yung emotion mo doon. So, just do your parang gawin mo lang siya sa mag-set up ka by your plan, ganun. Set your rules, kung ano yung rules mo, yun lang yun. And always stick on it. So, hindi pwedeng masyadong reactive ganun. So, kailangan mo rin mag-response kung ano yung mga kailangan. And acceptance kailangan yun. Syempre. So, before you go on it, kailangan mo, alamin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kasi yung success hindi lang siya like easy way, ganun. So, maraming maraming paraan para mas maging success. Pero before that, know yourself first. Kung ano yung weakness and strength mo. So, yeah, just keep going in your life, and yeah, our journey is it bases our daily practices. So yeah, kung wala kang ginagawa ngayon, so di mo na kailangan magtaka kung bakit wala kang narating. So kailangan mong kumilos para may marating ka. So yun nga, sabi nila, paano ka makarating sa bundok kung hindi ka maglalakad or something, hindi ka kikilos, ganun. So, kailangan small step lang para agad. para hindi ka ma-burnout din, so gano'n. Good luck.